Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the battery replacement kit that comes from Elson for the iPhone 5. Comes in a nice black cardboard box with a magnetic kind of a closure on it. Oops. Have the battery in a package, although the package wasn't sealed too well, so it does kind of slip out on ours. Has the replacement adhesive for when you take the battery out. You can put that back underneath it. And of course, a whole bunch of tools. You got your Pentastar screwdriver, your Phillips screwdriver, the nice guitar pick style pry. See if we can get all those out and show you. There we go. Take a look. So Phillips. So those two are Phillips. There's the Pentastar, suction cup, pry tools. Let's get to work. First thing to do is to remove the bottom SIM card, which it didn't come with a remover for that, so I'm gonna have to go get one. Okay, back. Got a SIM card remover tool. Not sure that this is absolutely completely necessary when doing this, because honestly the SIM card hasn't ever gotten in my way before, but they say to do that. And of course you want to power off the device completely. So first step is going to be removing the two Pentastar screws at the bottom. Let me adjust this. There we go. So that screwdriver works good for that. Next, simple, take the suction cup, put it kind of close up by the home button. Kind of pull up. Get the pry tool underneath the screen area. I've seen some say where they use a razor blade. I wouldn't want to do that and damage. There we go. And just slide it around. Get the brackets up. Nice thing about the iPhone 5 versus the 5S is that there is no touch screen, so there's no wire to have to be careful for when you're opening it up. Next, you're going to remove these 3 screws that are up here. It doesn't appear that these are magnetic tips. I wonder if the other one is, because it's just a screwdriver as well. Oh, yep, cool. Always nice to have magnetic tips, especially with these little itty bitty screws. The reason that we're going to have to replace this, and you'll notice that it's missing tab, and we've already been into this phone before. His phone battery swelled up, broke the screen, so we had to replace the battery and a screen. I went to the local iPhone repair shop and asked if I could just get a battery, because I like doing this kind of stuff myself. Just now, of course, I got those screws off. We're just going to pop these ribbons off. 1, 2, and then the third one came up. Get that. Now that that's free. And now what you're going to do to get to the battery is remove this screw and the screw right there that's holding the battery connector on. So anyways, back to the fun story. Went to the iPhone repair store. They said that they'd just go on eBay, get an OEM quality or an OEM battery. They're not that much. So I did that. We replaced this battery, and it doesn't hold a charge very well at all. So we're giving this Elson battery kit a go. It's kind of nice that it came with all the tools. I already have a set of tools, but you know, hey, having more or checking out the different brands and quality never hurts. And we can see how this one is. So there we go. So that little battery cover is off. And you're just going to pry up the connector there. Trying not to damage, of course, the actual pins themselves. There we go. And then there would be a pull tab right here, but like I said, we already replaced the battery, so this one actually should just come off no problem. With yours, you might have a pull tab, you have to pull it away, kind of like a command strip style. You can see the remnants are still in there. This kit does come with a replacement one, so we can go ahead and replace that. So let's see if I can get it out. There we go. Now, peel the back of this off. Put this down into place. Now with that into place, if I can find the other piece of the plastic for its cover, there we go. Oh, almost had it. Ooh, stuck on the old adhesive that was there. There we go. So that is off. Get the new battery, make sure that the alignment's correct on that. Put that down into place. Connect it. Cable shaped a little bit differently, so it's there we go. Looks like it needs to just kind of be bent down into place. It doesn't have that natural curve to it the other one did. Kind of use this to press it a little bit. Yeah, it wants to pop up, but we'll see. We'll close it up and see if that kind of odd bend in the cable is going to be a problem or not. See how that kind of sticks up a little bit there. Once I put that bracket on top of it, I might just kind of keep it pinched into place. And that's where magnetic screws really are worth it, because now you can kind of pick it up. Oh, that one wasn't it. There we go. And of course, then you just reverse all the steps to close it back up and power it on. Two screws there. Check that, that kind of wiggled. I'm gonna take the top off. There we go. How many times did you take this one apart?
It's our third time.
Well, you were playing with it that one day.
Oh no, I didn't do anything to it. I just kind of popped the screen off.
Yeah. Now getting these connectors. You shouldn't have to force them in. A little bit of pressure, you can kind of feel it clicking. There we go. Get the plate back on it. One. Two. One more screw. And they're getting stuck in the fibers of the fabric.